10 Easy Closet Organization Rules. Is your closet stuffed full of clothes but you still feel like you have nothing to wear? Don't worry, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can organize your wardrobe very quickly so you can wear all your favorite attire. I've compiled 10 tips to help you get started with closet organization. 1. Start with a clean slate. 2. Sort your items into categories. 3. Utilize storage solutions. 4. Make use of vertical space. 5. Keep frequently used items within easy reach. 6. Invest in proper lighting. 7. Keep a donation box. 8. Label your items. 9. Don't be afraid to change things up. 10. Pause before buying storage containers. Creativity is a combination of discipline and a childlike spirit. Quote of the day: it always seems impossible until it's done. Thank you for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe. Ma and Mama.